Welcome to binaryforexy.com. How to install indicators and templates in your MetaTrader for platform. First, navigate to the directory where the indicators and templates you wish to install are located. Then, open the indicators folder and select the desired files. Right-click on the selected files and choose Copy. To install the indicators, first open your MT4 platform and go to the File menu. Select Open Data folder. Then, locate the MT4 folder and navigate to the Indicators subfolder. Finally, paste the indicator you've copied into this folder. Now, we will do the same with the template. First, go to your template folder and make a copy of it in the same way as you have done with the indicators. But now, choose Template and copy it. Then, go to MT4 platform again and go to Templates folder. Right below MT4, you will find Template. Finally, paste the copied template into this folder and close the window. Now we need to refresh the installed indicators, so open the Navigator window and go to the Indicators folder and right-click to refresh. Now the indicators should be visible and ready to use. Open any pair and maximize the window. Right-click on the chart and go to Template, then Load Template, and find the template you want to load. Finally, select it and then press the Open button. Once the template is loaded, you will be able to see how the strategy is applied on the chart. You don't have to manually add each indicator as the template brings them all together at once. binaryforexy.com. Trading smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.